Here in this overview video we have the Delfast CB315 Cordless Batten stapler. In this video we're just going to be going over a couple of things regarding operation of the tool and also components. Okay, let's get into this. First of all, when we open it up, you'll see a cordless cleaning guide on top. Make sure you guys flick over here. If you haven't already, watch the other video on step-by-step guide on how to use this. Up the top here we have a first service free card, a manual, and also a warranty form. You have one charger cord, one charger, 2 lithium ion batteries, and one CB315 cordless Batten stapler. Here we have the fuel cell door, the battery goes in the bottom, I haven't clicked it in just yet, the LED indicator, if I click that in now, the LEDs will show up, the belt hook, magazine, pusher, staple pusher, and depth adjustment on the front of the nose. Here we have the Delfast twin tip fuel cell. Today in this tool here we need to attach the right angle tip, not the vertical tip. So we're simply going to open up the box, take the vertical tip, place it out of the way. Simply take the top hat carry case off, pop on the right angle tip, give it a slight turn and squeeze on the bench just to make sure that the gas is coming out of the tip. Next we're going to place fuel cell inside and line it up with the red fuel stem. Should just pop into place, white tip should just go straight up. Simply door goes up and back down, and the gas is now locked and loaded, ready. Here we have the battery. We're going to put the battery in. That is showing fully charged battery. Now we're going to go ahead and load our fasteners by simply pulling down our pusher, locking it in at the bottom on the button, placing our staples inside our magazine and pressing the button at the bottom of the magazine and guiding up our staples like so. This tool is now operational and is ready to fire. If I was to push in the front nose like so, the fan in the back of the tool will operate. If I was to press the trigger now, because the nose is pressed all the way in, it will fire a staple. There's the running in the back of the fan. If I take the battery out, it'll stop. If I put the battery back in, I will get a reading of how much battery usage is left. For demonstration purposes, here we have a flat battery. If I was to put this one in, it would drop back to 1 and start flashing, which means it's under 20% charge. If I press the nose in like so, and press the trigger, there we have one staple. If I want to bring that staple out, I simply move my depth adjustment further out, and this will bring that staple out further. And there we have it. Now to unload our fastener safely, we shall disconnect the battery first, take out our fastenings, push our pusher up. If the tool is not in use, never leave tension on the spring. Always release the tension from the spring when you're putting the tool away. Remove the gas, simply push up, turn the tool and let it fall. And then we should just be able to take the fuel out like so. There you have it, team. Thanks for watching this overview video, and I hope you found it helpful.